Hi there, today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make Mexican street corn salad. This salad is bursting with Mexican flavor. It's such a fun twist on traditional Mexican street corn that you can find from street vendors. This is one of my favorite summer salads. You can easily make it with frozen corn all year round, but I just love the flavor of fresh corn straight from the cob. I'm sure this easy salad will quickly become one of your favorites too. Let me show you how to make it. Okay, so the first step in making this Mexican street corn salad is the corn. So I have 5 ears of corn that I've already cooked and cooled so I can handle it easily. And we're just going to strip the kernels from the cob right into our bowl. Just run your knife right down the cob, getting all of those kernels off there. You can easily use frozen corn if you wanted to make this when corn isn't in season, or if you just didn't feel like taking the time to do this, but it's so worth it to get fresh corn. All of our corn has been removed from the cobs. Now we're gonna start cooking it. So here I have just a couple tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let that melt. We're going to add all of our corn right to the skillet. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit to break up some of those chunks of kernels. I think that's what makes this salad a little rustic when you get a bite with pieces of kernels in it all together. Okay, so our corn has a nice little cook to it. We don't have to cook it too much because it is already cooked through. We're just warming it up and trying to get a little color on it. What we're going to do now is transfer this back to the bowl that it was in, and we're gonna cook up some aromatics. Okay, so to the same skillet that we did our corn in, I still have it nice and hot, I'm going to add some red onion, some diced jalapeno, and some minced garlic. And we're just gonna cook this for a few seconds until everything gets nice and fragrant. Oh, I wish you could smell this right now. I love the smell of the onion, the garlic, and the jalapeno together. Oh, it smells fantastic. Now, if you don't like things spicy, you can always cut back on the jalapeno, or you could eliminate it altogether. That's perfectly fine. It would still be a great salad without it. But the jalapeno does add a really nice kick. One thing you want to do when you're preparing the onions and the jalapenos, you want to make sure that everything is diced really fine, because nobody wants to get a big bite of onion or a big bite of jalapeno, or garlic for that matter. But just make sure everything is minced up nice and small. So the next step in putting together this incredible Mexican street corn salad is to make the dressing that goes on it. And the dressing starts with sour cream. Then we're going to add some mayonnaise. The next thing we want to put in there is some fresh lime juice. So I have a lime that I've halved, and we're just going to squeeze the juice in there. I just love the smell of fresh lime. All right, we're just going to give that a little stir, get everything combined. Okay, so to that mixture, we're gonna add a couple of seasonings. I have a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of my house seasoning blend. And you can get the recipe for that on itisakeeper.com. So we're just going to stir everything together. And that's it for the dressing. Super easy, but so much flavor. Let's put this all together now. Okay, so we have our corn and we have our sauteed onions and jalapeno and garlic in there, and oh, this smells incredible. Now we're just going to stir that dressing right in there and get everything combined. And you see how the mayonnaise sour cream mixture just kind of melts right in with the warm corn. Okay, so just a few more quick things we're going to add to this salad and it will be done. We're going to add some Queso Fresco. And that's a Mexican style cheese. It's great for crumbling. It's got a very light taste. And we're going to add some chopped cilantro. Give that a quick stir, get everything incorporated. Okay, some final things we want to do to get this all ready is we're going to sprinkle some more of our Queso Fresco right on top and a little bit more of the cilantro. Doesn't that look absolutely incredible? I don't know about you, but I can't wait to dig into this salad. Oh my gosh. Oh, the jalapeno adds such great flavor, and the lime juice just brings everything to life. And I love how light the Queso Fresco is. You have to make this Mexican street corn salad. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.